It's going to be a rough few days for a big part of the country.
This morning, the heat is on as millions prepare to suffer through what could be the most dangerous heat wave in years. Temperatures rising into triple digits, already causing roads to crack open in Kansas. And hospitalizing 7 children in Connecticut, all of them suffering from dehydration and heat exhaustion at a summer camp carnival. Some areas in the Northeast bracing for temps to feel as Death Valley.
It is too hot to be standing here.
Stations. Here in Chicago in 1995, a heat wave killed more than 700 people. Now emergency rooms are gearing up for an influx of heat-related emergencies.
So if someone comes in and we think that it's heat stroke, about 4 or 6 of us will actually put the individual into this ice bucket for about 10 to 15 minutes to get their body temperature down as fast as possible.
Dangerous temperatures hitting people who work outside the hardest. Like roofer John Weidel, who faces long hours exposed to the sun.
Can be a lot hotter up there with the direct sun beating down on us.
Even with the excessive heat, authorities say you must limit your time outside the emergency room. Doctor I talked to says if you're drinking water and staying hydrated, you can still fall victim to heat stroke. That you stay out of the heat and somewhere cool. Robin?
All to keep in mind.
Good morning to you, Robin. You know, New York City has not seen a 100-degree temperature in 7 years. I think we will get very close on Saturday. It's been 6 years since it was 98 degrees, and I think we're going to do that. So some of the hottest air that we've seen in more than half a decade. 111 the feels like in Des Moines this afternoon. Kansas City 114. We circled the core of the heat. That slides east tomorrow. Chicago gets it. Detroit, Louisville. Of course, Paducah is going to be included there. Watch this because it all moves east through the weekend. I'm tracking the core of the heat because Saturday is when it settles in. Sunday, it doesn't let up much. We're still going to see temperatures in the mid to upper 90s here in the Northeast, but it'll feel like well over 100. We finally get a break by early next week and then much cooler and drier. George.